Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donuts. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need flour, sugar, yeast, and a deep fryer. Understanding the basic steps from mixing the dough to frying will ensure a smooth process. We'll cover everything you need to know to create perfect homemade treats. Next, let's craft the perfect dough. Start by combining your dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate the wet ones. Knead the dough until it feels smooth and elastic, which is crucial for a light texture. Finally, let the dough rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, allowing it to double in size. Now it's time to shape and fry your donuts. Roll out the risen dough to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a donut cutter to create your desired shapes. Heat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then carefully place the donuts in, frying until golden brown on both sides. For the final touch, let's glaze and finish your donuts. Prepare a simple glaze by whisking powdered sugar with a small amount of milk and vanilla. Dip the warm donuts into the glaze immediately after frying for the best coating. Feel free to add sprinkles or other toppings to make them extra special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.